Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Timique Skin Glow, a skincare channel that focuses on skincare formulation, DIY, skincare tips, and everything about skincare. If you are stopping by our channel for the very first time, you are welcome to our skincare family. Please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. To our existing subscribers, thank you so much for supporting this channel. Thank you for all your like. Thank you for watching our videos, your comment, and share. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate. Alright, today I'll be doing a review on this concentrate. This is a strong whitening concentrate, a product of Bel Eclat Kenacol. If you know the how potent the oil is, it has an oil, and this is a concentrate. This is quite a new product in the market, and it's very effective for skin whitening. I use this sometimes in my formulation. I have a production I'm supposed to use it for now, and so I just decided to do a review of this to tell you how it is if you haven't tried it, what to look out for when using this product. Okay, so this Bel Eclat Kenacol is an extra whitening concentrate. This is really strong. When I say it's strong for skin whitening, I mean it's a strong concentrate. Okay, now this is a concentrate that whitens your skin, helps to erase spots. Okay, it lightens your complexion very well and eliminates every form of skin impurities. Okay, it is a repair solution, same way the oil type is. I'm going to put a picture of the oil on the screen so you know what I'm talking about. Bel Eclat Kenacol has an oil, very potent, effective, nice oil for skin repair, green vein treatment, and repair. That's the same thing this does. This whitens your skin and it repairs any kind of skin impurity or skin condition you have, such as green vein, varicose vein, and any kind of reaction you get from using whitening product. This solution is a repairer. It brightens, and it is designed to improve and harmonize the complexion by eliminating spots, blackhead, that act as barrier and prevent damage to your skin. This can be mixed in your product. Please do not use concentrate directly to your skin. Don't apply concentrate directly on your skin. You will burn your skin. You will damage your skin. Please, concentrate such as this should be diluted. And the only way to dilute it is by incorporating it in a cream, in a base. Okay, if you want to activate your cream, this is a good concentrate to use. If you want to boost the whitening effect of your cream, this is something you should consider. Okay, just mix it in your lotion to enhance the strength of skin lightening. It removes dead skin. It also helps to exfoliate while lightening your skin. Okay, and it has moisturizing effect also. This is quite thick, but not as thick as collagen extra fold, but this is really good. Okay, so you should look out for this. And it smells nice as well. Now, you cannot use this to substitute your Kenacol oil. Kenacol oil does a job on its own, and this one also has a job it does for your skin as well. Okay, so you can see there's a kind of gold panel here that says Kenacol Extra White. Can you see it well? It comes sealed like this. This is to show you how original this is. Okay, and it's quite affordable too. Please do not apply directly on your skin. This is very strong. This is super whitening. It also helps for green vein. Okay, so I don't want this video to be so long. I just want you to know what this does, and it's anti-tashes, so any kind of blemishes on your skin, it helps to fix it for you. In my next video, I'll be talking about this product, Leg Perfector, a product of Timique. It looks so much like Timique Perfect Leg Stage 2, right? But this is Leg Perfector, and I'm going to tell you what this Leg Perfector does. This is what it looks like. It's quite new in the market. Not everyone is talking about this yet. So if you want to know about this, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That's the only way you get notified each time I upload a new video. Don't forget, for your skincare ingredient, your organic ingredient, your pro mixing ingredient, chat us up. Timique Skin Glow. You can send a DM to Timique Skin Glow on Instagram or a WhatsApp message, okay, to get your original pro mixing ingredient and raw material for organic formulation if it's organic ingredient you need. For Timique Skin Glow product, our finished products are also available, and we deliver worldwide. To every one of you patronizing Timique Skin Glow from this YouTube platform, I truly appreciate. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.